Hello, my name is Allison, and I'm here to talk about my final milestone for my line following robot. For my final milestone, I wanted my robot to be able to adjust its speed as it goes across the black line. The robot comes with a remote control that actually uses only two buttons, the plus and minus. The buttons are pretty self-explanatory. The minus button lowers its speed, and the plus button increases its speed. There's a maximum speed to the robot because if it becomes too fast, it eventually won't be able to detect the line due to being overwhelmed. If you also constantly lower its speed too much, it eventually stops moving. There's also a small orange light that goes off in the center of the robot, which certifies that a signal has been turned off, and it then adjusts its speed depending on the button that's been pressed. This milestone actually took me longer than anticipated because at first, the speed of the robot never actually changed whenever I would press the buttons or remote control to do so. I kept thinking the reason behind this error was more complicated than it actually was. However, it turned out that the error behind this code was actually quite simple. The initial speed of the robot was in the void loop function, which caused my robot speed to loop back to its initial speed, and its speed to become unchangeable. Therefore, I had to take it out of the loop function in order for the initial speed to become changeable. If this moment taught me something, it was the fact that it's best not to overthink things, because the solution could actually be simpler than you think. During my time in this program, like many, I had doubts that I was going to be able to finish my project. However, I learned that through perseverance and hard work, anything's really possible as long as you have the right mindset to do so. I hope to take my knowledge from Bootstrap in order to learn more about coding so that I'm able to eventually implement that to my future builds one day. Thank you for listening to my final milestone. Have a great rest of your day.